Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I fixed unable to connect to AS servers on PS5. So the first issue, if you don't actually have PS Plus, so now your problem is fixed. You should actually purchase a PS Plus subscription and that will fix your issues. But if you're still having this issue and it's not fixed, even if you have a PS Plus, I will show you how to fix that. First, I'll see from here you need to hop onto the top right to the settings button and you need to press on it. After that, now you need to go to users and accounts, and now you need to scroll all the way down till you find the others section. Now press on restore licenses and choose EA Sports FC26. Now click on restore. After that, hit on OK, and now go back to the settings section and press on network section. Now from here you need to choose settings, and now you need to choose setup network connection. Now I see from here, here's my network connection. You need to click the options or start button and now choose advanced settings. Now from here you need to actually scroll down till you find the DNS settings. You need to change it to manual. After that you need to write these exact IPs. So for the primary DNS you need to write 1.1.1.1, and for the secondary DNS you need to write 1.0.0.1. After that, hit on done and now press on OK, and now it will actually connect to the access point, and now your network connection will be connected. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.